In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the ignition coils on this Chevy Silverado 2500 with a 6.0 liter engine. They're located right on top of your valve covers, so let's install these brand new TRQ ignition coils. First off, let's remove the engine cover to create some more space. Set it aside. Let's remove these two hoses so that we can get a little bit better access. Just pop them off those retainers and pull them to the side. I'm going to show you how to replace this ignition coil because it's the easiest one to see, and the process is identical for all 8 of the ignition coils, no matter which side you're working on. So let's start by unplugging the electrical connector. Pry up on that little tab and push it to the side. Then I'm going to unplug the spark plug wire, which is actually down here. Now from the bottom of it, you're going to want to push the spark plug wire off. Just let it hang over here, and then 2 10mm bolts hold this ignition coil on. Remove both. Try not to drop them. Remove that. Pull your ignition coil out, and here it is. Take your new ignition coil, line it up, put the 2 bolts in, start them by hand so they don't cross thread. As soon as one lines up, you should be able to get the other one started easily. All right, let's bottom them out. Give them a quick snug after they bottom out, about 1/8 of a turn at most. If you crush it down too much, you'll actually break that little tab that they clamp onto. That's good right there. Get the spark plug wire back onto the ignition coil. Press it up all the way, make sure it's seated. And then at the top, plug in the electrical connector. Make sure that clicks. Once you've replaced all the other ignition coils, reinstall the 2 hoses. Now let's reinstall the engine cover. It's got 2 little pins that it lines up with. Press it on, turn on your engine, make sure it runs smoothly. If it doesn't, double check your work, and there you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.